Hey guys, I got a secret for you. This house is coming soon, later this week. Don't tell anybody other than your friends, your family, and everybody you know. This 3-bedroom, 2-bed bath right in Thornton, Colorado off of 104th, right near the new light rail station coming in here later this year, called the End Line. It's over by Carpenter Park as well. This is just a great location, and the only way that you're going to be able to see it is if you give me a call. But before you call us, I just want to take you here to Carpenter Park. It's just within walking distance. It's incredible. Look at the lakes. You got a big playground for the kids. You got an amphitheater back there. You got soccer fields, football fields. There's basketball courts, tennis courts, and you can see the rec centers just right back there where you can get in-district pricing if you live in the area. So send us a message or give us a call if you're interested in being over in this area. We do have a home for sale, but if it's not the right home for you, we can help you find the right home. Our number is 303-507-1403, or you can search for homes for sale at fostercolorado.com.